Your face. So what will you tell everybody?
Did in a video.
Okay. So what did you have for your dinner?
Korean rice.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Korean rice is nice. It rhymes. What did you have for your dinner?
Korean rice.
It's very nice. Korean rice is very nice.
Korean rice.
is
Very nice. Korean rice. Very.
Tell everybody what you have learned today. Really important thing.
Guy Fawkes. Whoever knows. Guy Fawkes.
Okay, tell everybody who Guy Fawkes was.
Someone was the same and he attached to blow up the houses.
What houses? Houses of the Parliament. House of the Parliament.
Yeah, Parliament.
Yeah, but was he able to do it?
No.
Because he was caught. And where did they put him?
In jail.
So tell everybody, when did it happen?
It happened years and years ago. Yeah.
When was it?
Until I was not even born.
Oh, long time ago then. Even me, I wasn't born when it happened.
It didn't happen yesterday.
Not yesterday. Long time ago.
Long ago.
That's why, what do we celebrate?
Bonfire night.
Yeah, every 5th of November, we have the celebration called
Bonfire night.
Bonfire Night.
But the important thing is Halloween.
So Halloween first, and then bonfire, and then Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Celebrate.
Christmas is the most important thing.
Wait. The dessert of the dinner video.
Pardon?
The dessert of my dinner video.
Oh, okay, you forgot your dessert. What is it?
Today I choose something that I really like.
What is it?
Biscuit.
Biscuit. Biscuit, crackers and cheese? Or just crackers?
Crackers.
Crackers. Because you are a cracker. Tomorrow you will go for your disco.
I know.
I say good night to everybody.
Good night. Good night.
And thank you for helping me delivering my business food.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Love you.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.